Once upon a time, there was a troll nation in a far, far away galaxy. They thrived in agriculture and many other things. This is a great example of the hustling and bustling marketplace of the Troll City. Light bulbs. Little did they know, there was a man named Gargagoth, Destroyer of Worlds. He often brutally destroyed civilizations stretching across planet to planet. And one day he decided he wanted to try and destroy the Troll Nation. This is his stats. This is his apprentice, Mr. Bean. One day a small troll noticed something in the sky. Oh my god, what's that? Little did he know, it was Lord Gargagoth's infamous disco ship. If you see this thing in the sky, quickly head to the nearest planet because yours is going to go down. Quickly, crowds of people formed to stare up in the sky at the strange disco ball spaceship. Faster than you could say the words fermented pickle juice, the four kings were notified of this flying disco ball. Your Majesties, there's been reports of a disco ball spaceship from all around the globe. He said a disco ball spaceship? Oh my god. It must mean
Lord Gargagoth.
He could easily destroy our entire planet. We must send out the armies. The troop of spaceships that the trolls sent quickly approached the bigger disco ball spaceship. As the trolls approached the disco ball spaceship, they noticed a small hole they could enter through. They parked their ships and entered through the miniature opening. Whoa, what's in here? It's a nice little spaceship. We should talk back.
Yeah. I'm Mr. Bean. You gotta go hide or something, because Lord Gargagoth is in here, and they'll for sure, kill you. So you need to hide, okay? Got it? Got it? Yep. Okay, see ya later. But be careful.
Let's get headed out. Where did all them go? Where did they go? Maybe over here. One troll was oblivious that he was heading in the exact wrong direction. While the other trolls were headed towards the lounge room, he was headed directly towards the heart of the ship. Whoa, that's the heart of the ship.
Well, isn't that the surprise of the century? You're coming with me, you little clot.
Meanwhile, the other trolls had just entered a space leading to the lounge.
Oh my god, dude, how did this guy afford all this crap? Whoa, this place is kind of cool. I agree, too.
Cool.
This place is awesome. We should check out the weapons, yeah. We should check this. Yeah, we'll check this.
I call dibs on this pin thing.
I'm so evil, and I like watching people being tortured. You're feeling pretty dizzy, aren't you?
Do you guys think he's up there?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably.
Oh my god, what's that?
With the trolls having officially defeated Lord Gargagoth, the four kings gave them a reward. And they all celebrated, and it was a happy ending.